Hi everyone, welcome back to the FAE Beauty YouTube channel. My name is Hrithika. I'm a content creator at FAE and also a beauty content creator at the Hedge Doors. I'm going to be breaking down all of the 3 shades of Brash for you. We have 3 different shades. I'm going to explain all the different shades, how you can pick them, show you swatches of the shades and all of that jazz. So let's get started. Wondering what Brash is and you've never heard of Brash before, then please click the eye right now to go watch the videos on Brsh. We have a ton of other videos, so please be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so that you're notified of all of our future videos at FAE Beauty. And yeah, let's get started. Brsh is a one-of-a-kind unique formula that can be used for both mascara and brows. This is what it looks like. The wand has 2 sides to it. It has a longer bristle and a shorter bristle. You can use it however you want. Use the shorter end on your brows and the longer side on your lashes or vice versa. I personally really like using the shorter wand on my lashes and then the longer wand on my brows. Brsh is vegan, cruelty-free, multi-use and buildable. This means that you don't have to just use it as a mascara and brow gel. You can also use it as a beard filler and also to fill in your bald spots, hide your grays. You can do that as well. All of that info is there in our feed right now, so please go check out our feed if you want to know more about that. So we have 3 shades. We have jet black, dark brown and charcoal black. Jet black is black, but like I said, our products are buildable. So if you want to go for a black because you like a black mascara, you can totally go ahead and use it on your brows because like I said, it's buildable. So if you use a very light hand, you will be able to get a very nice feathery brow, both on your lashes as well as brows. You can be super dramatic or just keep it super simple. So it's really up to you how you want to use it. We have charcoal black. It looks much lighter on the tube than it does on your skin, but once you apply it, it does get a little bit darker. So it's not like a full gray. It's very much of a charcoaly, ashy kind of a color. Then we have dark brown. It looks again very like a light brown. As you can see, you can clearly see that this is brown. But when you apply it on your brows or even on your lashes, it does get a little bit darker. So it's not like a very stark difference where you can tell someone's wearing a brown brow gel. It does blend into your actual brows pretty nicely. Now that you've seen all the 3 shades and you've seen all the swatches of the shades, I'm going to explain how you can choose your right brush color. You don't really say that a certain skin tone has to use a certain type of color. Not really like a set color has to be going with a certain skin tone, because when you're choosing brow products or lash products, you have to think of your hair color and not actually your skin color. Dark brown is a really good universal color that can be used for all hair colors, I feel, especially those that lean into the natural hair colors. So light gray, dark brown, reds. If your hair color is one of those like natural hair colors, then you can use brown and it will suit you very well. Charcoal black works really well on those who have colored hair, blues, greens, pinks. So if you have like a lot of color in your hair and you're not sure which one to go with, charcoal black works really well because it's a sort of a grayish tone. So it gives you that cool tone brow look. So it goes really well with any of those hair colors that are more into the brighter, more vibrant side. Now if you're very confused between all of the 3 shades and you're like really worried, I would say jet black is a very safe option because like I said, all of our products are buildable. So if you want to use jet black on your brows, you can go with a very light hand, and if you want like super dramatic lashes, you can layer it on. Jet black is a very universal shade, especially for Indian hair colors, because most of us have black or dark brown hair colors. So it's not set in stone as to which colors you should use on yourself. You can use whatever color you want. You can use whatever side of the wand you want, and you can use how much ever you want. So this is just a guide to give you an overall view of how the colors work, how the colors look like, and what colors you can go for. You can shop Brsh on our website right now. If you're worried and confused, I would say pick all 3 shades, because then you can like alternate and see which one you want. Like and comment below what you think your color is, and please let us know if this video was helpful so that we can make more for you guys in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful and it gave you a little bit more insight as to what color to choose from Brsh. You can shop Brsh right now using the link in the description. Please join the hashtag FAEFam on Instagram at FAE Beauty Official. Please be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so that you're notified of all of our future videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.